Oh man. Kenny, help! I need some more yard birds. My last hen and Rusty and Big Red's brother, they gone. They got. I've been having little coyotes running around here, and I think they got scooped up. Damn it. It's a continuous series of disappointments trying to keep livestock, man. If you got them, they're gonna get out, they're gonna get dead, and they're gonna find a way to occupy your time somehow. Especially the big ones, cows, and horses, and that's not what we're talking about though. Kenny, love you, mean it. B Ryan, hey, check it out. All right, so Harvest Moon. We'll get into that, but first let's disconnect this electric fence because I don't like testing it with my fingers. I'm going to do it like this. I don't know if you can see that, but you don't really need to. Oh my God, somebody just stopped in front of my house. Oh, what the I don't like it when people do that. It's like, shut up! See? They got the dogs involved. Quiet! Oh my God. I'm gonna let them out. I am not replacing any more glass windows. A.B. Ryan, I want to show you something. Farming is a lot different than ranching. I deal with agriculture, horticulture, hydroponics, aquaponics. There's a lot of really cool systems out there. I haven't really got into it yet with y'all. But I will. It's neat. It's interesting, and it's a way to keep vegetables and fish and everything kind of in unison. And they say, and I concur, that aquaponics are better because you can do fish, shrimp. You can actually have a little ecosystem in a pot of water and use it to fertilize vegetables, and they grow like you wouldn't even believe. I mean, it's wonderful. I grew up on a fish farm, so I've always been kind of fascinated with it. And you think I'd be sick of it, but I'm not. All right, so we're walking into my garden, my late garden. We had some weather here that really prevented me from getting started early. So what we have here is a nice little so I put hay down on everything that's not edible. Now the grass is edible, but I don't want things trying to break in here to, eat the grass. So rabbits, goats, horses, they all kind of want to get a piece of this action because I use a special fertilizer, and I'll share that with you guys soon. It's a mixture of things that you wouldn't even believe, but they work real well. So I want to show you about the spacing, all right, and what happens when you're mixing different kinds of fruits and vegetables. So that's raspberry. Usually I do blueberries, but I'm changing it up this year. At the tip top, what we have here is culinary rosemary. Focus better. New camera. That thing works great. One soaker hose. I've got a split right here so I can run another one. Sweet corn. It's getting destroyed. It always does. These ants like it. This is longhorn. Hey, B. Ryan. It's longhorn okra. This stuff gets you can get an okra a foot long and it's still tender. You know how typical okra, bigger it gets kind of fibrous and woody and hard to eat. This stuff's not like that. It's amazing. It's awesome. I use it in a few recipes. It has selenium in it, and selenium is a very important chemical for mental health. Either you can't produce it or you can't process it. If you have problems, they call it, one of them is bipolar disorder. So it's a good nutrients, you know, to prevent those things. So you've got to reintroduce it into your body. Mental health is important, guys. Hey, till Valhalla, still talking about y'all. And so what I did here was I broke it up a bit. So I've got longhorn okra, 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 okra. Not okra. Cucumbers, English ones. You know, the big, long, crunchy kind. But you don't want to get your cucumbers too close to your watermelon because they cross-pollinate. And then you'll have big, juicy watermelons that taste like cucumbers. So you got to separate them with some things, all right? So what I do is something else to cross-pollinate with it, and it actually tastes good. Pumpkin. So we go now. Okra, cucumber, okra. See, something's eating my damn okra. I know what it is. Damn Japanese beetles. And then pumpkin. And then I get to the raspberry. And then I've got peppers. I'm doing sweet peppers here. And I'm going to offset them with hot peppers. So even my sweet peppers will be a little spicy because I kind of like that. Then I've got Charleston Gray mini. Last year I did orange flesh watermelon. It was really good. Hey. It was fantastic. And this year I'm doing Charleston Gray, you know, big ass. Excuse my French. Good night. I've had to delete so many videos because of my language, and it's a sailor's guide to self-reliance, but I'm really working on it, okay? Anyways, Charleston Gray, personal baby watermelon. You know those little ones that you get? Little like personal watermelons, just cut them in half and eat it like a bowl of soup. And, oh, gigantic cantaloupe. That's this one right here. Now I had 3 other ones, but apparently rabbits, they're hungry. And then this, citronella, it just got transplanted. And sweet peppers and lemongrass and tomatoes. These tomatoes they're a Russian tomato. They're big like beef eaters, but they're purple and they're amazing. What the French toast? There's somebody riding a bike. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. Dude on a bicycle. What the He looked American. There ain't no telling. Well, I guess there's a first time for everything. I'm used to seeing people riding horses, not bicycles. Except for me and my kids. You know, bicycles and dirt bikes and shit. I'm not one to judge, but I'm one to be concerned. So anyways, that's all I have to say about that. Love you, Jenny. Good night, y'all. That's it for today. I'm gonna go cook. Oh, damn it, that's not it for today. Mushroom Swiss burgers, locally procured mushroom Swiss. Big John, this one's for you. Love you, mean it. Stay tuned, stay salty. You know it's gonna be salty when you're out here all day. And if you don't have enough salt and you're thirsty, you're wrong. Hydration's a process, man. You gotta stay ahead of it. Hydrate or die, as Warrant would say. See y'all. Appreciate you. The camera's pretty cool. Those are sapphire gems.